Brother Jamaica.
Wagwa.
I am so happy. I met somebody said he's going to take me to Jamaica. I've already paid him 2 million naira. I just want to go and give him his balance. No. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Hey man, who be that man?
Okay.
Mr. K.
Mr. K?
You don't know Mr. K?
Okay.
My friend introduced me to him.
Where is he taking you to?
Jamaica.
Jamaica?
Yes.
And Mr. K, I don't know Mr. K.
And he has taken more than 5 million people to Jamaica. He's the one that I'm just going to give him my balance. I just got the news now, so I'm going there.
Say no more. Let's go and see the Mr. K.
Jamaican.
Boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom.
Mr. K, he's the one.
Okay.
Bombo Club.
What's happening here?
You told me you want to take me to Jamaica.
Yes.
I've given you 2 million naira, so I've brought the balance.
Beautiful. I think I like that. You're really doing well, and you know what I am known for already. So what you do now is to transfer the money. We don't need to waste any much time.
Okay.
You know my office is a very busy office,
Okay,
so
okay.
I won't want any more. Some places are also coming.
Hey man, you are saying you are not traveling agent? How many men have you taken to Jamaica?
What kind of nonsense is this? You bring here to come and insult me? I've taken more than 20 million people out of this country. I'm a reliable agent. So this is what you people came here to do. They will not be in my office. What's happening here?
Chai.
How many people in the Jamaican after you've taken to 20 million people?
Go and ask your grandfather.
This man, I'm a fair traveling agent. Sister me, hold him tight. Let me call the popo. Officer Lee. Come on, let's get a traveling agent. I'm an abroad, but I'm a catch you. Bombo class.
My